Here's a quick overview on how to edit the beat player appearance and front end settings. I'm going to BeatStore settings. And this pretty much covers how this playlist functions. I'm going to general settings, and there are tons of settings in here, like if the beat opens up in an overlay window, the order of the beats, the BeatStore layout, you can autoplay, show BPM, time, show play count, show produced by, the text, you can have the price, or you can have custom text. You can see it's updated to buy. This is a free download right here. You can modify the text. Beats that have no price, you can have a make an offer form. And this is where you can edit that button. So you click make an offer. And then a form appears. You can set a default thumbnail. You can modify the playlist colors. You can change the color to all these things right here. And some other settings. I'm going to go back. The bar that you see here is called the beat sort bar. This is how you sort beats. So I'm going to click into it. And by default, genre and tags show. If you want to show category and price, you need to turn them on. You can edit the search input text. You can edit the checkout button text. I'm going to click back. I'm going to go to overlay window settings. Here you can edit the overlay window settings. So let me turn this on. This will add a additional button to the beat sort bar. If you want to allow people to make an offer in general over all your beats. The instructions overlay window is this one right here. This is so you can add instructions on how people could buy beats. Right here is the sell overlay window. You can edit this text right here. And here you can edit settings for the single beat page.